Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart running at full speed only. If your motor is running only at full speed, then you should try restarting your device first by switching the switch on the right side of your device off, then unplugging your device from power, switching the switch on for 10 seconds, switching it off again, plugging the device to power, and then switching the switch on. If that didn't help, then you may want to factory reset your device by going to three lines at the top right corner, then go to settings, and then go to reset to factory settings, then click on yes and wait until it finishes. Once it finishes, you will be able to set it up again, and if that doesn't fix the issue, then you will need to either try updating the system in the software updates, or contacting the Monsieur Cuisine customer service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.